In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write a mind-blowing resume with ChatGPT using a full tutorial complete with a template. Let's get started, and I'll guide you step by step on creating a standout resume easily and efficiently. Firstly, you'll need to head over to ChatGPT. If you're unfamiliar with it, ChatGPT is a powerful AI tool capable of assisting you in various writing tasks, including crafting professional resumes. Open your preferred web browser and type in the ChatGPT website to access the platform. Once you're on the ChatGPT homepage, the next step is to type in a prompt. Consider starting with a straightforward introduction, something like, "Hi, I need help creating a resume template." This helps ChatGPT understand your goal right away, focusing its functionality on providing a template that suits your requirements. After you've composed your prompt or introduction, it's time to send it. Simply press the arrow up button or hit send to submit your request to ChatGPT. Remember, this step is crucial as it triggers the AI to generate a response based on the input you've provided. If you've given clear and concise information about what you are looking for, ChatGPT is designed to respond in kind with suggestions or drafts that are closely aligned with your needs. Once you've sent your message, ChatGPT will process your input, and in just a few moments, you'll receive a draft of your resume template. This template will appear tailored to the information you've shared, allowing you to fill in your personal details, work experience, educational background, and other relevant sections. You can review and refine this draft, adding or adjusting content as necessary to best reflect your skills and professional journey. Finally, you'll receive your finished resume document, which for illustrative purposes we'll refer to as Sherry Lay Magdalene Resume, DOCA-X. This file represents a complete and polished version of your resume that you can now view, download, and use for job applications. Make sure to review it thoroughly, checking for any further customization that might be needed, and ensuring all details are up to date and reflect the positions you're applying for. By following these simple steps, you can quickly utilize the capabilities of ChatGPT to craft an impressive resume that highlights your skills and distinguishes you from other candidates. Using AI not only speeds up the writing process, but also provides creative, polished results that can help enhance your professional presence. Happy job hunting!